Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can create and edit a contact at a Huawei Y6 in a version of 2018. By the way, it works also for the Y5 and the Y7. Okay, so first of all, you have that field here, so that app, so this is name contacts. Okay, so first of all, you have here the contact app, and let's start with the contact app. Here you have the opportunity to see at first all your contacts you have, and here where you see the symbol plus, you can add contacts. May let's add the contact Tom, and that's his number. Okay, and you can add also other phone numbers or an email address. You can make some notice. You can put Tom into a group. You can give a special ringtone to the group and so on. You can give the IM. You can set up also a special ringtone for Tom. You can put his address, his nickname, his birthday, and so on. Okay. If you want to save it, tap here, and now Tom is part of our phone book. If you go back now, here's Tom. If you want to navigate, if you have many contacts here, you can also navigate here on the side. If you're looking maybe for Tom and 1,000 of contacts, you just go here on the T on the side and he will go directly to all the contacts starting with T, and so you can much more easy find Tom. Okay, and if you forgot something or you want to change a number or something like this at the existing contact, so may just go on Tom again, so it's just our example now, and you have here the opportunity to edit it, so where you see the pen. Okay, and we have here now the same view as before, and yeah, now we can also change the number, go just on the number, add some or change it as you want, and yeah, also you can add other fields as I told you before with the anniversary, the birthday, nickname, make some notes for that person. Here you can make some notes, so maybe from where you know that person and so on. Yeah, after you are finished, go here on that symbol again, and now we have changed the number and have also the other settings we did, and then just go back, and that's it. So as you see, it's very simple, and I think you got it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with that and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. And thank you so much for watching this one. And maybe until next time. Ciao.